Namaste to all the MSME industries, promoters, and also directors. All these days, the industry of MSME was a supportive industry to the large nation, wherein we have Indian Railways, airlines, shipping industry, and the consumer society. When I say consumer society, I am talking about the utilities equipment that is used in the kitchen. Then we have office automation. Pre-corona days, nobody ever looked what are the profit margins of MSME and what kind of financial security can be given in the event of any disaster to the employees working in MSME industry. Nor the MSME industry never developed and evolved pay per piece, pay on contract basis, so that we could generate individual entrepreneurs who could get payment on the work done, so that slowly the Indian MSME workers would have developed a mindset that in case I don't go for a week, I need to save some money for my own family and my number of days that I don't go to work. Always we made MSME workers to depend on the salary given by the company. And company proprietors or the directors never thought that they should save some money for the protection of the wage earners who were working in our companies. I'm not sure whether it is the fault of the MSME promoters, or it is the fault of the chartered accountants, or it is the fault of the economist, or it is a fault of the industry officers who never imbibed that the MSME owners have a personal responsibility towards the employees. As an employer, that we need to protect the employees even if the factory does not operate, work, or we are unable to recover for the supplies made to PSUs, supplies made to large companies, supplied made to other co-manufacturers as co-working partners. I'm not sure what made our nation think that MSME means that it is a non-relevant organized sector with no financial security. Yesterday, I had an elaborate review why things failed. How did things fail? Practically, MSME leaders are not engaged with the policies of this government. MSME means only MSME leaders should have been there, where 5 people work, where 25 people work, where 50 people work, where 100 people work. I'm sure once the company crosses 100 people, it does not fall under MSME sector. The owners of the 5,000 employees cannot make a framework for a MSME sector where there are employees from 5 members to 100 members. I request at least now that MSME company owners, directors or promoters should now request the government to start looking practical issues, setting aside the theories, the classroom lectures, instructor-led training courses out of the functional working of the MSME sector. No one could ever give a proper life and channelize the MSME industry strength to compete with China, Germany, France, Italy, United States, and United Kingdom. I trust that all the MSME industries associations now stop volume of books, practically come to the requirements, determined facts, and the understanding how to cope up if any such reoccurrence happens in our large nation. It is nice, it is good, it is a learning curve, it is a practical exposure to the difficulties that the nation and the national citizens will face in case MSME derails, if MSME stops functioning, if MSME does not keep on producing small things for major companies. It is a clear-cut understanding that every industry minister of every state, every PSU managing director, CEO, every large company CEO and their board of directors understand that sustaining MSME industry shall be the most important critical factor for the survival of the larger industry within India. Jai Hind. Namaste.